guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aria and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this half up, half down style that you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So if you want to see, stay tuned. So in this first part, I'm taking some time just to part my hair, making sure the parts are very even and that there's a good amount of the back part that's going to stay over because I'm going to add clip-ins. I don't know how to sew in hair or anything like that, so I just made my own clip-ins. And of course, it's Kendra's Boutique hair. It's the only hair I wear, but you guys will see that in a little bit. But right now, I'm still parting my hair because of course, I want it to be super straight. I'm just that person. So here I am separating my hair from the part that I just made the up part and the down from the down part. And I don't know why I'm taking so long trying to do this. I could have just put in a ponytail and, kept it moving, but I decided to be all cute with it. But yeah, so I'm doing this because when I go to move in to put in the clip-ins in, I really don't want that part to get in the way after I took time to separate it. So I'm going to detangle my hair. And after that, I'm going to come back on the camera and show you guys that, hey, I have the clip-ins now. Okay, so now that the clip-ins are in, I'm moving back to the top part of my hair, and that's where I'm going to detangle it and make sure that since it's staying in a ponytail, it's nice and neat, because I'm not going to braid it up. I'm just going to wrap the hair right around the ponytail. Now that my hair is nice and detangled, I'm going to move into grabbing my edge control by Pink MANGA Hair. They did send me this edge control, but when I tell y'all that I've been using this ever since I received it in the mail, y'all literally need to go get your edge control because it's literally so soft. It puts your hair the way you want it. But say you mess up your edges, you can actually brush it out and redo it. It's not that kind of edge control that just sits and also it smells really good. If you can see, I just smelled it. It smells really, really good. But yeah, so I'm just going to keep on brushing my hair up into the ponytail, making sure that it looks so sleek because this hairstyle will be in my hair for a couple days. I don't really like to play in my hair that much. I like to make it neat the first time, so I have to keep going over it. So now that I have the edge control where I need it to be so that it can be a sleek ponytail, I'm going to actually put it in the ponytail now. And you guys want to grab your hair tie. I like to grab a thin one because it makes me be able to wrap the tracks around it better. As you'll see when I come back on the camera, the tracks either should be in or I'm going to show you guys how I put it in or attempt to because I can't remember if I was able to do it on camera. But yeah, put your ponytail in and yeah. Yes, so this is where I'm showing you guys that this is my Kendra's Boutique hair. I did not make this into clip-ins. This is an actual track. Okay, so once I take that, I'm going to fold it in half. And this is the part where it gets where I just make my life so much easier by taking a bobby pin. You put the bobby pin in the track. And then once you pull it through, you have something that's so secure. It won't be slipping all day. You won't have to keep on fixing your ponytail because your track is slipping. No. So go ahead and take your bobby pin and stick it right on, not in your hair, but stick it on the ponytail. I look dumb. That's why I started laughing. But I was just showing y'all that once it's in there and it's not going to move. So out of this whole entire hairstyle, everything that you have to do just to get this one hairstyle, this is the most tedious, annoying, and strenuous part. You literally have to have arm muscles for this because I was getting annoyed trying to keep wrapping it around there. And I actually think I stopped recording it and just did it off camera because it is so hard. But to make sure you guys wrap that track so tight and every other track that you wrap around, make sure it's on top of each other because it will start slipping out if the bottom part isn't secure. So just keep wrapping it around and wrapping it, and I'll come back on the camera and show you guys that it's on there. So now that it's on there, I am taking a piece of the track that's still left out, but still enough that it's wrapping around, and I wrap it around the actual, I don't know what that part's called, but the part that you sew to your head. I'm wrapping it around and wrapping it, and that's how you get that sleek look. Okay, so when you guys do this, make sure you're wrapping it to the base, to where the hair tie is, because one thing I did was go above it. I kept wrapping up because I thought it was going to make it look skinnier, but it just really started to annoy me. So after this video, I did go back and take it out. So if it looks weird to y'all, that's why, but just know I fixed it. But make sure y'all stay. You see how I went back down to the base? Stay there. Don't go up because it's just not going to have anything to stabilize it, and it'll just be flying everywhere, and you really don't want that. So once you grab your bobby pin, you of course stick it right, like please, like stick it right. I'm being so dramatic, but just stick it right where you had like a little bit of hair left, because that part will just keep coming out and it's gonna get annoying. It's a lot of things that can be annoying about this hairstyle, but if you do it right, like it won't bother you. Bruh, I'm not even done yet, and I just want to talk about how cute this hairstyle is. Like, I cannot. If you guys do this hairstyle, put it on your Instagram and tag me in it, because I just want to see how everybody else looks in it. But yes, I'm glad grabbing my flat iron right now, and I'm just turning it on because it should have been on when the video started, but I just have to wait for it to warm up. So I'm going back in and making sure like my hair didn't just drag down because I was spinning the track around my hair so long. So I'm just pushing the hair back up. But yeah, once that's sleek, I will move into curling my hair, and you guys will see in a minute how that turned out. So I just am on I think this is the last strand of the bottom part of the half up, half down style. And I just take the flat iron, curl it around the hair. I'm not sure if everybody knows how to curl with a flat iron, but you literally just keep wrapping the hair around it, twist and pull, and you'll see how that turned out. So the bottom of my hair is finally done, and we're gonna move on to curling the top half, which is actually pretty much like it's the same, but I feel like the top half was like way easier to curl. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna start splitting it in sections and curling it and curling it, and I'll just add some music right here so y'all can see like how it slowly progressed to being a really cute hairstyle. So now here comes my favorite part of any hairstyle that I do is putting my edges on. Of course, I'm going to go back to using my pink manga hair, and I just literally just swoop it around. I started doing my hair differently. I did a edges video before, but I do my edges differently now. I go for more like a water wave look. I don't really know how to say it, but I add more swoops to it. So I just literally take it and push it back in my hair. So I take the hair down and I try to like swoop it right back into my hair so that it just like it looks more natural. It doesn't look like I'm like forcing edges, except this part looks a little forced because I don't think anybody else just go that way, but that's how I like them. And here is my finished look. I am so proud of this freaking hairstyle. Like, I want to do it again. I don't know how often you can wear this hairstyle, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.